Hey, Zach Copes here, and today I'm in Augusta County, Virginia to show you one of the most tranquil properties I've ever had the pleasure of visiting. The word peaceful doesn't even begin to describe it. So if you're looking for a property with privacy, one-level living, and amazing views, this riverfront home might just be for you. Welcome to 1144 Mill Race Road. Originally built in the 1960s, this traditional ranch home has been masterfully renovated. You'll love the gourmet kitchen with high-end Wolf brand appliances, quartz countertops, and high-quality craftsman cabinetry. Master bedroom features an enormous walk-in closet, complete with custom built-in cabinets and a luxurious oversized bathroom with a gorgeous shower. It'll definitely tempt you to stay in there way too long. Enjoy a massive finished basement with a den, home office or craft room, and 2 additional bedrooms that share another exquisite bathroom. Outside, find a 3-tiered deck out back overlooking the gorgeous Middle River and views of Augusta County here in Verona. Thanks for joining me on this tour of 1144 Mill Race Road here in beautiful Verona, Virginia. For questions or to schedule your own private tour, give me a call, 540-746-8753. And remember, it's your move.